Here we go. should have flipped the machine a little bit more this way. The root is spot on.
Yeah, I'm sure it's not right.
Eight?
Wow.
No,
Oh, it's really wow.
not this one. This gets one operation. Each bit counts an operation. But these three count one operation. 10.5 minutes.
2?
10.5. Actually, it was less. That was less, actually.
Oh, really?
About 10 minutes. I'm at 10:48 now.
So we're going faster than that one?
Well, no. I mean,
More or less. Same thing?
no, we had 4 minutes to 14.5 minutes. It's 10 minutes. It's 10 minutes. Whether the hole is big or small, whether it's straight or curvy,
Uh-huh.
it's the same amount of time. So believe me, once they cut the hole, once they cut all the hole by hand, there's no way anybody's going to get it in shape, you know,
Uh-huh.
for what it needs to be in 10 minutes.
At 10 minutes, they could even do this like in 2 hours. In like in 10 minutes.
You know what I'm saying? After they cut the hole, just to bring it up to the line.
Yeah, just like this. Just
Bring it
right
up to the
there.
line. There's nobody out there that can do that. No, they can't do it.
Of course not. It's hard like to keep everything flat without lumps and stuff.
Right. And let's put it this way. That would take 3 hours
Wow.
to shape all this hole, all those curves.
Yeah.
You know, after it's cut, after it was cut, you know, to go inside and
Yeah,
shape
just to do
it
this.
with all those curves, 3 hours. That's no doubt. I'm gonna wait. There's no doubt. Come on. And it would have to be, you know how long it's gonna take you, how long it takes you like to make a round?
What do you mean?
Like in a curve, you know, get the
Oh, in the island and stuff?
and a bit corner. You know how long it's gonna take you.
Oh, yes.
What do you want? Tape?
You know, just...
Are you on the tape for that one?
Yeah, no, he's good. This one's gonna come out clean.
They're not gonna believe it anyway.
They're not gonna believe it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
If I sell one machine the day that I sell it, it's a holiday over here. We have a holiday. We go to the beach.
Can you imagine if they buy this?
Huh?
Can you imagine if they buy this?
They buy one machine? Anybody buy one machine?
Oh yeah, you're gonna have to start production just to start making machines.
I got parts for 10 machines.
Really?
The complicated parts, I just don't have the frame. But all
Oh, yeah,
all
yeah,
these
yeah.
little pieces,
Yeah.
I got parts for 10 machines.
Wow.
I gotta make 15, parts for 15 machines.
Shit. Yeah, I mean, the rest, like, you made this, right? The arms and all that.
Yeah. You sure this recorded the sound? Where's the camera? Where's the microphone?
I don't know where's the mic on this. Probably on the sides or on the bottom. I don't think he's on the top. The top is just a speaker.
You think so?
I'm 99.9% sure.
All right, we got 140,
46?
147.
Is it?
147. What? 147. When I first wrote it down was 137. So we're in 10 minutes.
All right, here it comes.
2 minutes and 23 seconds. From the time you hit the switch till you hit the switch.
Three and a half minutes.
Less than 3.5 minutes. No, 2 minutes. 21, that's 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Look, I fucked up now. I was not paying too good of an eye at the time. 2 minutes and 9 seconds. Okay, that would take a guy,
What? These three?
right, after he spent 3 hours bringing it up to the line, okay,
Yeah.
it would take him 2 hours to bring it up to wet.
Really? So,
Yeah, to go, with a dry pad, to get it ready for wet, it would take him another 2 hours.
so this is an all-day job right here. What we did in less than 2 hours would be more or less a whole day
If
job.
you're doing less than an hour, yeah, it's a 6 hour job.
Talking about with lip and everything.
Huh?
You're talking about with the lip and everything.
No, I'm just talking about getting the hole, not the lip.
Jeez.
Not the lip. The lip is the easy thing. Right, go. 25, 40. $27.45. That's 2 minutes. That was from the time you hit the button. The number 2?
Yeah. Yes.
Are you tired?
Of doing this hole? Oh, yeah. No.
You're at the 5 minutes.
5 minutes?
At the 5 minutes. You could do 4 sinkholes in a day.
That's
If not 5.
Mm-hmm.
We've been at it for half an hour.
No way.
Wow. And the money, and the minute. We start at 1:37, and it's 2:07. Was that the last one?
That's it. Now just have to
30.
press the button.
All right, 33:30. 3:33:45. It took you 2 minutes. $25. It took you 10 minutes. Less than 10 minutes. It took you 8 minutes to go with those 3 pads.
Which one? Did this? Wow. Holy crap.
And that's not working fast.
And
You
that's
spend
not-
more. You consume more time cleaning up.
Then actually
than you do. And I mean that includes change time. These numbers that I got here, this time that I got here, that's from the time you hit the switch the first time.
Yeah.
You went, took them off, put them on, took them off, put them on. Stop, turn off the switch at the last point.
Hey, I'm happy with that. A half hour? Jesus Christ. I mean, just think, a year ago it used to take me 3.5 hours to do
Yeah.
this. But I was...
Well, take you 3.5 hours from cutting the hole and doing all that.
Yeah.
Okay. No, we're just talking about,
Just...
after you put the template and you go.
But I found out something different today.
Huh?
After I go with the first one, because the first one, the way I go, I don't press too much.
Right.
Because you start eating the top and then go, and then, doing the more press. With these two, I apply a little bit more press.
Right.
It comes out like so nice.
Well, yeah. All right, buff it up.
So nice.
Run the buffing machine. Oh, you got to clean it up. Okay. We start at 137. Now those curves are so suave, man. They're almost like this.
Right?
Nice and curvy. No sharp edges.
No, there's no...
Sharp edges.
There's no lumps, there's nothing. It's like it goes with the flow. So
Like
nice.
this. Just like this. Nice curves.
Exactly, there you go.
Just like... Oh shit, is this being recorded?
Yeah?
No, it's not.
Yeah, dude. Oh, you stopped it? You stopped it?
What?
Did you stop it? Did you stop the...
I didn't know.
Ah, okay. So, yeah, it's
I don't think it's recorded.
It is.
Oh man.
Nobody's gonna hear you talk shit.
Nice and curvy. It's nice. Hey, it's a fact. They're nice and curvy.
Hey, I don't know nothing.
You even get the bucket with the machine. You even get the bucket with the machine.